phytochrome, a blue-green pigment that regulates the expression of many plants' genes in which regulates various developmental processes. Phytochrome have two forms. These are called PR and PFR. These two forms mainly differ in their absorption peak. PR form of phytochrome absorbs maximum light in the red region of the spectrum at a wavelength of 660 meters micro. PFR form of phytochrome has the absorption peak in the far red region at 730 meters micro. These two types of pigments are interconvertible. The phytochromes are interconverted through two methods. Photoconversion. When PR form of phytochrome absorbs red light, it becomes transformed into PFR form. Similarly, when PFR absorbs far red, it becomes converted to PR form. Photoconversion is very rapid and is complete within 1 to 4 minutes. Thermal conversion. Only the PFR form of phytochrome shows another type of conversion. PR spontaneously become converted into PR in the dark. This mode of conversion is very slow and takes a few hours. It is dependent upon temperature. PR form does not show thermal conversion. It is only the PFR form of phytochrome, which is physiologically active. PR is the inactive form. Role of phytochrome in short-day plants. Xanthium. The predominant form of phytochrome that accumulates at the end of the light period is PFR. The PFR triggers a series of reactions which finally result in inhibition of flowering. However, when the plant is 8 hours or more of the dark period, PFR is slowly converted into PR form. When PFR disappear, the inhibition caused by it is lost, therefore the plant flowers. If the dark period is less than a minimum of 8.5 hours, conversion of PFR into PR is not complete. Hence the plant fails to flower. When the dark period is interrupted by a brief flash of red light in the middle, whatever PR is present is converted back to PFR. Hence red light inhibits flowering. If the far red light follows the red light, PFR is again converted to PR. Therefore the plant flowers. These figures shows the role of phytochrome in short-day plants, so in this case plant develop flowers when red followed by PFR. Role of phytochrome in long-day plants. Just as in short-day plants, PFR accumulate at the end of the light period in long-day plants. Also, PFR triggers a series of reactions that finally inhibit flowering. In other words, PFR cause the flower long-day plants. The hyoscyamus plant is exposed to 10.5 hours of light and 13.5 hours of dark. Conversion of PFR to PR is not complete in the dark. Therefore, the plant flowers. If the dark period is more, then PFR disappears, and hence flowering is inhibited. However, if a flash of red light is given, PR converted into PFR. Thus PFR is restored. Therefore red light causes flowering. That is the overview of short-day and long-day plants. In short-day plants flower when a period of darkness exceeds a critical night length. And in the long-day plants flower when a period of darkness is less than a critical night length threshold.
Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.